Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Despina and today I'm back with another video. Guys, actually I had another intro prepared and I lost it. I think it got deleted, so I need to film another one. But it doesn't matter. I'm just going to explain what I'll be doing. So I have a new client. I'll be painting on a t-shirt for them, and it's a dog, right? Never done a dog before, so it was a challenge. And yeah, so first what I did, I drew it on a paper and just to see the colors, how the colors need to be mixed together to make these specific colors of the dog. And this is like a flower idea as well, because it's going to be under the dog. So I very first, I put things together in Photoshop. So I cropped the picture of the dog, I put it on the t-shirt, and then I did the same with the flowers. And when we decided which picture we were going with, that was our final design. So then I put together on a piece of paper, and that's it. And then the next clip you'll see is me explaining how to design the dog on the t-shirt. Okay, so yeah, I hope you enjoy. Make sure to let me know in the comments below and like and subscribe for more videos like this. So thank you, and yeah, let's get started. Okay, so here's like the sketch on the t-shirt. I put my picture there on my laptop. I divided it into two, so I put like a line in between to see on the left side what I should do and on the right side what I should do. And then I put some notches on the t-shirt to see the middle of it, and then I drew a line, and then I see how big I want my dog to be, and then I created the left side and then the right side. So now I will start by the head. I will do a coat of the light brown color, and then I will slowly add some shades, darker shades, but for now we're doing the lighter shade. So just a coat of that, and then I will slowly start adding on top the darker shades. So I'm adding a paper underneath my t-shirt, and then I'm starting to paint the lighter shade. So let's go. Okay guys, as you can see, I did like a first coat, the first layer of color, so there's something underneath, and now I'm going to start with the details. I might just finish the eyes just to see how they're going to look, and then I'll move on to the fur, and I will start creating lines of fur just to make it look more realistic, because so far it looks like this. So yeah, let's keep going. I'll do the eyes, I'll do the brown, the black in the middle, some white I see, and then I'll move on to the fur. I'll do the dark colors probably, and just make them go up. And yeah, I'll come back and update you on any other details I do. So let's keep going. Okay guys, as you can see, I finished the eyes. They actually look really good. I did the nose as well. I did like a layer of brown, and then I added the black and then the white, and that's basically it. So I did the eyes quite big, so I might have to change the size of the head. I might have to do it bigger, but we will see. So for now, I will probably move on to the mouth. So I will do like the black part here and start shading the black and mix it with the skin color, and then I will focus more on the layers of like the fur and add the details of the darker sides or the brighter sides. And yeah, I'll come back and update you guys, but I think it's going okay so far, so let's see. I hope yours looks quite similar, so let's go ahead and move on. Hey guys, so as you can see, I did I did a bit from the t-shirt, not that much though. So I added like the first layer of white on the skin, and then I added the darker layers, like sort of like shadows, and then the black ones are more like a paintbrush. Also, like here, I came and added more white as a brush. What else? So I'm trying to see if I can make the eyes smaller. Just this one though. But for now it's okay. And of course I finished the mouth. It's just black and white. And then this is the same as the face. And now I'm going to move on to the ears. Okay, so the ears, because this is like a first layer, I'm going to add now the white layers of the brighter colors. I'm going to create like shadows here, and then on top I need to add like sort of brushes of the white as well. So it's like some parts are just like shadows and mixing together the colors, and other parts is like literally you can see the brush strokes. What else? That's it. Like after I finish the ears, I'm going to finish the skin, and then here is too dark. I don't like this, so I'm going to sort of try to cover it a bit, but not too much, because there's still the shadow here in the middle of the forehead, but it's not as dark. So I'm just going to add a bit of white here, and then try to blend it in and mixing it together. But so far so good. I think it looks quite similar to the picture. And yeah, once I'm done with the dog, I'm going to show you what I'm gonna do with the flowers. Okay, see you later. Okay guys, so as you can see, I think the dog is done for now. So I added so I need to fill out this. On camera it looks a bit different, okay? So yeah, the colors are not the same as in real life, I guess. But for now I'm gonna leave it here, I think, because I finished the body. I did the ears, right? And yeah, I think it's okay. I feel like around the dog needs to be done something, like maybe add something darker. Not like an outline, but just a few shades. But anyways, I'll move on to the flowers because I'm very excited. Again, I will add the brighter colors, and then like just one layer of white probably, because my flowers are white, and then I will start adding the shadows. Okay, so let's continue. Guys, as you can see, this is basically done. I just need to finish the letters, and then this is done. And yeah, so I had to add some more dark parts here for the to match the ears, sort of, because the picture had like a darker color here. I had to add some more dark areas here as well. The flowers, as I said, just one layer of white. Then I went and I did the outline with black. Then I started adding some I had to do a second layer of white because the pink was too like you could see it through the white. So I had to do a second layer of white, and then I when the white was still wet, I went over with some black and I mixed it with my other brush to blend it in with the white and make the shadows. So yeah. Guys, so I know, so I really honestly don't know how to start this, but I finished the t-shirt. It's finally done. Right now it's ages after I started the t-shirt, because I started working, so I was trying to sort of do it at the same time. But anyways, I actually finished it, so I'm very excited. So here it is. Honestly, it looks a bit weird on camera, but in real life it looks much better and more realistic. But here it is. Again, I just did layers, right? So first is like white, then you add the shadows, and then lastly you always add the hair and the more details. And then I just did I did the face first because I really wanted to see how it was gonna look I really wanted to emphasize the eyes. I think the eyes are very important when doing an animal or person, you know, like I think all the emotions and details you see from the eyes. So yeah, this is it. The flowers are not very as expected, but I don't mind it. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was very random, I must say. I'm sorry if I wasn't able to show you more detailed on how I do things, but as I said, I was working, so I was sort of doing both at the same time, literally. So yeah, and I added my logo here. Yeah, like a detail. And yeah, my client liked it, and I will send it over soon. First, so I waited like a couple of days, so it's probably been like 2 days since I finished it completely. Yesterday I finished the sign on the back and the letters, so I'm waiting maybe until tomorrow, the day after. I need to iron the t-shirt because the white needs to be ironed and the red. The red was mixed with the other paint, so I'm not sure if I'm going to iron it, but I will see. Because if you add like heat on the paint that shouldn't be heated, it's not very good. So I might just add it on the white. And yeah, after I add the heat, 5 minutes, and then I have to wash it. And yeah, that's it. Inside out as well. And yeah, I will send it off. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you did in the comments below. Let me know if you enjoy watching me doing t-shirts. I need to do another t-shirt as well soon, probably. But yeah, please make sure to like this video, subscribe, and yeah, let me know if you want to see something else. If you enjoy this type of videos, please do, and it helps me. You can let me know what you would like to see more, you know. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.